Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite beverage, which is the Parsi tea. It's traditionally made in a certain way. So here I am to take you through a quick way of how to make it. I'm boiling the water first, as we would do for any kind of tea. I would add some milk to it so that it boils together. And the two main ingredients that goes in Parsi tea is lemongrass and mint leaves. So initially we take the lemongrass and kind of crush it together and put it in the tea to boil with the water and the milk. Everybody has a different way of making this tea. This is the way we make it in my house. Once it comes to a boil, I put the tea leaves in and shut the gas off. During my travel to Assam, I learned the right way to make tea is to brew it in hot water, hence not boil it too much. Once I close the stove, I add the mint leaves. Remember not to boil it with the mint leaves because it gets bitter. And then I cover it and allow it to brew for at least 5 minutes. This is my absolute need of the hour. Every evening and every morning I can't do without it, and I hope you make it at home and enjoy it as much as I do. I'm enjoying it with some batasa, which is something that's famously made in Surat. I hope you all like the video and have the opportunity to make some lovely Parsi tea. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Bye bye.